In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer Google Calendar to another account. This is really helpful if you're switching email addresses, separating work and personal life, or just want someone else to fully manage your schedule without rebuilding it from scratch. We'll walk through how to share your existing calendar with another Google account and give that account full control, which is the practical way to transfer a calendar in Google's system. First, open a browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that currently owns the calendar you want to move. This is important because all the changes we're about to make will apply to whichever account you're logged into right now. Once Google Calendar loads, look over at the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all the calendars owned by your current account are listed. If you don't see the full list, you might need to hover over that area or click the small arrow to expand it. Find the specific calendar you want to transfer. When you hover your mouse over its name, a small set of 3 vertical dots will appear to the right. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a menu with several options for that calendar, such as changing the color, settings, and sharing options. From that menu, look for the option that takes you to the calendar's settings and sharing page. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can adjust the details and who has access. Scroll down until you reach the section that deals with sharing, usually labeled something like Share with specific people or groups. Here, you'll see who currently has access to the calendar. To give another account access, click the button that says Add People and Groups. A field will appear where you can type in the email address of the Google account you want to transfer the calendar to. Type the email carefully and double check for any typos because access will only be sent to the exact address you enter. After entering the email, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the level of permission for that account. This is an important step. By default, it might be set to a lower permission like See Only Free Busy or See All Event Details. Since you're trying to transfer control, open that drop-down and choose the highest level of access. Select the option that allows the person to make changes and manage sharing. This setting gives the other account full control of the calendar, just like the original owner. They can create, edit, and delete events and even share the calendar with others. This is effectively what makes the calendar manageable from the new account. Once you've selected that permission level, click the Send button. Google will send an invitation to the email address you entered. The recipient, which might be your other account, will need to open that email and accept the invitation. After they accept, the calendar will appear under My Calendars when they sign into Google Calendar with that account, and they'll have full management rights. From there, you can continue using the calendar from the new account, and if you like, you can later remove or downgrade access from the original account in the same sharing section. That's all you need to transfer your Google Calendar to another account using Google's built-in sharing and permissions.